This is Glen Hayward, the proud owner of Good Works Auto Repair in sunny Tempe, Arizona. Today I'm going to talk really briefly about tires. Number one is many new cars now have tire pressure sensors. When that light comes on, it either means you have a defective sensor or your tire is actually low. Some cars have a feature where you can actually see tire pressures on the screen in your dashboard. Some don't. So the important thing is to know, is it a sensor, or is it, a problem with my tire actually being low? And there's a couple of ways you can tell. I mean, if you don't have a sensor detector to tell you that, it won't always tell you which sensor is defective on the vehicle. So you have to have a tire pressure sensor detector to be able to do that. But what's important about tires is when they get low, they start wearing real bad on the edges. The tire actually cups here in the middle and you get edge wear. Other things that can cause edge wear on tires, and I'm going to pick up this other one here so you can see it. Edge wear is poor alignment. You can see how much thicker the tread is on this side of the tire. This tire is worn out, effectively worn out. But here you can see the steel cords that are starting to protrude out from the rubber, and also the nylon cords. So they have layers of nylon, steel, and rubber on these tires. And those are what keeps you safe on the road. It gives you traction, it helps you to steer, helps you not to skid when you're braking hard. So these things are very important. So poor alignments, having tires running low, will cup the tires, and it will also heat them up and actually cause a ply separation in them, and you'll have to destroy the tire and buy a new one. Tires these days range from $100 to $500 depending on the size of your vehicle and the brand that you choose. But the point is that, you can save a lot of money by looking at your tires. So I recommend at least once a week, walk around your car, and if you see uneven wear like you're seeing in some of these, you need to get an alignment. And if the car is not alignable because it has worn out parts, those parts need to be replaced, because you can't do an alignment when you have worn suspension parts. So really important to get that taken care of, because the cost of tires is going to be very, very expensive. You have to replace 2 or 4 tires on your vehicle because of neglect. So take care of your car. It deserves it. Thanks very much and have a great one.